Hey there and welcome to my Hostinger email tutorial. Today we're diving into how you can get a professional email address with Hostinger, what types of email hosting services it offers, and how to get the most out of them. Let's get started. There are two main options: the Business Starter Plan, perfect for small businesses at under $1 a month, and the Business Premium Plan, great for growing businesses at around $3 a month. These plans include all the essentials, robust security, and key features, so you don't need to worry about extra add-ons or unnecessary upsells. But that's not the only way to get emails with Hostinger. In fact, grabbing a shared hosting plan might actually save you money in the long run. All Hostinger hosting plans come bundled with email services, making them a cost-effective choice since you can also set up landing pages, blogs, or even build an e-store with the Hostinger website builder. However, do keep in mind that this option works best if you plan to run a few smaller projects. The reason for this is that Hostinger's shared hosting plans allow you to create two 1 GB mailboxes for free, and anything beyond that will require an upgrade. Hostinger even gives you a free 1-year trial of Pro Email, but keep in mind that it might require extra fees if your projects grow. Then again, spending more because your project is successful doesn't sound that bad. Another thing, if you want to go all out, you can get the Google Workspace add-on to maximize your email capabilities. That said, it's mainly a Google Workspace product, so I won't go into explaining all of it here. If you do end up needing help, just let me know by leaving a comment. So, how do you manage emails with Hostinger? Let me give you a quick email tutorial. Step 1, prepare your domain. Before you start, make sure you have a domain linked to your website. If you purchase your domain during setup, then you don't need to do anything. Step 2, log into hPanel and navigate to emails, then click on Setup Free Email Service. Step 3, choose a domain for which you want to create a professional email account. Finally, click Confirm. Step 4, select your email plan. For this email tutorial, choose Hostinger Free. Remember, you can upgrade anytime later if your project requires it. Step 5, create your email account. Enter your desired custom email address, set a strong password, and click Create. A tip would be to keep your communication secure. Always use SSL TLS encryption. Here are the settings recommended by Hostinger. You can also find this information in the description if you want to copy them. Step 6, while you can access your email through the browser at mail.hostinger.com or through the hPanel, you might want to connect it to various email clients for added features like offline access and overall simplicity. To do so, go to Emails, Manage, Connect Apps and Devices in hPanel. Then check the server settings for IMAP/POP and SMT values. It's recommended to use IMAP for its security and flexibility. For Apple Mail, go to hPanel, Manage, Connect Apps and Devices. Click on Set up Apple Devices. Enter your display name and select your Hostinger email address. Click Continue, then scan the QR code or download the profile. Install the profile on your Apple device and enter your Hostinger email account name and password. For Gmail users on a web application, open the Gmail app and go to Settings, See All Settings. Click on Accounts and Import. In the Send Mail As section, click Add another email address. Enter your display name and Hostinger email address. Check Treat as an alias if you want. Use smtp.hostinger.com as the SMTP server and port 465. Enter your username and password, then click Add Account and confirm via the email sent to your Hostinger address. If you want to do the same setup on mobile, the steps are similar. Open the Gmail app and go to Settings, Add Account, Other. Enter your Hostinger email address and click Next. Choose IMAP as the account type and enter your password. For incoming server settings, use imap.hostinger.com. For outgoing server settings, use smtp.hostinger.com. Set your preferences and enter your display name. The last thing I want to talk about in this Hostinger email tutorial is troubleshooting. There might be small but very annoying issues whenever you try to connect two different platforms. So if you're experiencing problems sending or receiving emails, follow these steps. First, make sure your email services are active and not disabled or suspended. Second, look for any ongoing maintenance that might affect email services. If maintenance is in progress, wait until it's completed before trying again. Lastly, ensure your domain's DNS settings include the correct MX records for your email and check that they are fully propagated. Next up, if emails are disappearing from your inbox, try the following. Check for any active email forwarders that might be moving emails to another address without leaving a copy on the server. Also, make sure your email client is set to IMAP instead of POP3. If you're using POP3, configure it to leave a copy of emails on the server. If your emails are taking a long time to arrive, consider doing this. Check for any emails stuck in the queue. Verify your email client and server settings aren't misconfigured. High email traffic can slow down delivery time, so keep an eye on your email sending patterns and adjust as necessary. If your emails aren't delivering at all, try these solutions. Carefully read the bounce messages to understand why delivery failed. Common issues include a full inbox or incorrect email addresses. You won't believe how often the simplest solution is the one that fixes everything. So keep your inbox organized and your email address memorable. Also, your domain or IP address might be blacklisted, causing emails to bounce. Use an email blacklist checker to verify your status. Even if you think this isn't the case, it's always better to check these things before doing anything else. What if your emails are landing in spam or junk folders? Well, first, avoid spammy language and excessive links, as these can trigger spam filters. Take some time to read a few articles on what Google considers spam and don't do it. If you're not doing any of that, then set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to authenticate your emails and improve deliverability. Hostinger makes it easy as they explain what's needed and where to find it. If you encounter encryption issues while using SMTP port 465, consider switching to port 587 for a more stable and secure connection. I left another link in the description if you want a more detailed explanation on this. Lastly, if you did the unthinkable and accidentally deleted an email account, follow these steps to potentially restore it. If it's been less than 15 minutes since deletion, recreate the email account using the dedicated button to restore all data. If it's been more than 15 minutes but less than 7 days, contact the Hostinger customer support team for assistance. It's not 100% guaranteed that they'll be able to help, but they'll try their best. However, be aware that after 7 days, all data associated with the deleted account will be permanently lost. At that point, you'll need to start fresh. Hey, it is what it is. At least with Hostinger's cheap professional email options, it's a pretty painless process. Now you know how to create an email with Hostinger. It's a reliable choice for all your email needs. The thing I love the most is that Hostinger keeps making their system easier and more convenient for beginners. I truly believe that Hostinger will be the best home for all of your business email needs. But if you still have questions about how to set up a business email or need help, feel free to get in touch. We're going to try and help as many of you as we can. Anyway, if this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe, and don't forget to use the Hostinger discount to make your hosting journey as affordable as possible. That's it for today. I'll see you all next time.